I have Xiaomi 12 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, tap here, go to its settings, go to the smart suggestions, and here you have to enable scan QR codes if you have it disabled for some reason. So now when you have your camera opened, just find any QR code, find it with your camera, and this icon will appear here. And by tapping on this icon, you can see what's being encoded into QR code. For example, here was this page, we can open it, and that's how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.